I come from Sicily, south, and I will sing my songs in Sicilian and in Italian. This song, the title is Sognami. Sognami means dream of me, and my English is not very good, I need help to describe it. So. This song was born from an illusion of big love, because sometimes what we feel is not perfectly real. And sometimes we create an image of people that we love in our mind. And one day we discover that this image is not real. And I discovered it. And when I discovered it, all my sweetness became anger. And after a few years, my anger became rebirth. Is it okay? Yeah? Che ci fai con la tua allegria che tiene viva la tua grande bugia? E se lei ti chiede cos'è che ci fai con la tua energia la mia fantasia, c'è chi ti fa sognare e non riesci a non pensare a già femmina invidiosa di mia, che ero solo erbittia. Stare ad aspettarti non serve a fermare questa vita che viene e che va, come una scia che mi prende e mi porta via dove non vuoi. Sognami, sognami, non c'è odio dentro me, ma solo vita. Perché la mia bocca è troppo toccata e non è per te che non sei tutto che giù che volevi, tutto che giù che volevi fare credere a mia. Non c'è dolore più grande di mostrare indifferenza quando in tutto ciò che ho intorno sento la tua presenza. Sognami, sognami. ma solo vita nuova c'è.
Yeah!
Grazie. Okay, the next song is another original song in English. Please forgive me for my accent. But I think if you have a story, if you have emotions, you can sing no languages, no. What is important is to feel what you write or what you sing. And the title of this song is I Remember My Pain. Because I don't escape from my pain. I think that my pain, maybe my experiences, are my friend. Because they help me today for being better, for choosing the best person, for doing right choices. Okay, I sing now. I remember my pain. Believing in every word you say is not easy for me. I always heard the same promises. In the day you forget me, in the night you follow me. You are alone, but you feel so strong. Your love is not good for me. I remember my pain, and you won't change your mind, but you say you see love me, and you broke my heart every time. And I remember my pain. Change your mind, because you say you love me, and you broke my heart every time. te ne vai, non dici ciao, ma chi ti credi di essere?
Wow. Lola Greeny, everyone. What a beautiful voice you have. Welcome back. Lola, where are we going to see you perform again? Are you in London anytime, doing anything? Any other gig?
Sorry, non ho capito, I don't understand.
Do you have any other performances coming up? Any other shows?
Yes. 10th of September in Portobello House. If you want to come, it's Portobello Road. This. I wait for you if you want to sing Italian, Sicilian and English songs.
Wow.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. One more time for Lola Greeny.